Hi, I'm Charlene Crawford. I'm going to teach you how to make a Google Classroom banner. First, you're going to sign into Google. Next, you're going to click on the Slides app. Now you're going to click on Blank Presentation. You're then going to delete everything on the slide. Now you're going to click File. You're going to go down to Page Setup. In order to make a Google banner, you're going to change it to custom. Change this to pixels. This needs to be 800 by 200. Now I'm going to get ready to make my Google Classroom banner. You're going to insert an image from the web. I like the wooden floor. Look for our classroom. So I'm going to select this one. I'm going to stretch that floor all the way across my banner. And I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Now I'm going to insert a text box. I'm going to select the color for the wall of my classroom. Now I can add more things into my classroom. So I will go to Insert, Image from the web, Transparent, Chalkboard. And then I can insert a chalkboard into my classroom. Now we already have the Bitmoji extension here. So I'll insert my Bitmoji into the classroom. Now I'm going to download this as a JPEG. Now that it is saved as a JPEG, I can open up a Google Classroom. So I'll go back to Classroom, create a new class, I'm going to do Upload Photo. I'm going to drag this photo into it. And now I have my new banner for my Google Classroom. I hope this was helpful.